They say time is money, and money doesn't grow on trees. Paper comes from trees, but paper also costs money. Wait. So if you can save on both time and paper, that's more money towards your fleet operations, right? Processing all that paperwork takes a lot of time and resources out of managing your fleet, not including the time to track it all down. Last time you remembered, that document was in the repair shop's back office, in a folder, in a drawer, but it turns out they were in another drawer, in another folder that you somehow must have misplaced. This definitely wasn't the first time this has happened. Stop wasting your precious time tracking down paperwork and let us handle it. With EMDECS, keep track of everything online in one centralized system. All that paperwork, from technician repair orders to invoices to cost reports and so much more, all digitized and accessible via any device. For help simplifying your fleet maintenance and management, visit BrightOrder.com.